Problem 3. Given the following triangle below, sine theta is equal to what fraction? Okay, the fraction is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so that means we need to start labeling the sides. There's your 90. This is hypotenuse. Okay, here's theta. That's the acute angle here. So the two sides that form the acute angle, one would be hypotenuse, the other adjacent. Okay, the other one is opposite. All right, for sine, to use sine, we would use from the acute angle opposite over hypotenuse. So that fraction would be 4/5. Okay, so the fraction, in other words, if I wrote sine and then the degree, the angle, which is where theta, is equal to what fraction? So we're looking at this part of the equation. So the answer is C. Okay.